Hi, I'm Jared Bird, Media Consultant at the Standard Examiner. I help businesses make money through advertising. Standard Examiner is a very progressive company with advertising products ranging from digital web, video, search engine optimization, text, and mobile, to newspapers, mail, and pretty much any kind of printing you can imagine. Call me. I'll come sit down with you and show you how we're using our news audiences in print and online to help make you money. What are you waiting for? What you've just seen is an example of a new concept we call a video business card. I envision every business professional eventually having one of these linked from a QR code on the back of their business card. If you want, you could also send the link to your video out in an email or put the video on your website by your contact information. So rather than just seeing your signature at the bottom of a page of an email or letter or your picture on your website, customers could see a streaming video of you telling them whatever it is you do best and help them feel comfortable doing business with you. These future customers get to know you, your personality. You get to demonstrate your abilities, your style, maybe your product. Just like the video you're watching right now, this could be how you deliver your message to your customers. Like I said before in the video business card sample, call me. Let us show you how we can help use the power of video to help increase your customer awareness and ultimately your sales. And if you're interested in seeing more samples of video we've produced for customers so you can see what the quality looks like, click on the video link above right here on this web page. Thanks for listening. I look forward to your call.